Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery, well, it's available now. This is an example of our Coyote Edition product, and it's got just about every feature we offer. It comes with a 5-year bumper-to-bumper flying doctor warranty. If you don't know what that means, reach out. We'll let you know every detail. This vehicle has active ride control, a Kinzer Engineering chassis. It has our hard top with patent-protected Freedom Top. You press the button and wide open to the sky. Let's go take a look inside. Now, this interior we think perfectly complements the exterior color. Dark blue with Castano Italian leather interior and low back seats. Combine that with leather-covered San Felipe roll bar, wool carpet in the front, barnwood in the back. This is delivering dreams to driveways. If you'd like to learn more how to turn this dream into your reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.